Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekly setup. So I'm done analyzing all these pairs using fxalexg set and forget strategy, and these are the best pairs we are going to be trading for next week. So the very first pair is going to be EURUSD. We have a very strong area of interest, right? We have rejected from this area of interest for 28 days or thereabouts, right? Now we seem to be having that rejection and we are going over to the downside. So what I'll be willing to do is to look for a clean break and retest under this minor level to sell to this take profit targets, right? So I really don't want to be taking my profit at this target because it's too small, but it's also a valid take profit target. This is the next take profit target, and then this one right here. So going over to the daily is bearish, weekly is also bearish, right? And the 4 hour is also bearish. So we have 3 time frames in one direction. So what I'm simply looking for is a clean break and retest on that level to sell EURUSD. That is the first market I'll pay attention to for next week. Next pair we have is GBPNZD. We do have 2 directional buyers, right? So market is currently bearish, weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, right? So let me show you what we have. Weekly time frame, we had a clean break right here, a retracement, and last week was a doji. Clearly, dojis are rejection candles, and they signify basically change of structure, right? So that is the weekly. So weekly is telling us to buy, daily is telling us to continue selling, right? And the 4 hour time frame is pretty much telling us to continue selling, right? So we need that sell trade, right? That will be following the strategy to the T because we need 2 time frame in sync, right? But we do have 2 directional buyers because I believe weekly could also hold. So in case weekly is holding, we'll be looking for a break and retest here to buy to this level. If selling is going to be holding, we'll be waiting for a break and retest below this level to sell to this level. So it's as easy as that. That is the next pair I'll be paying attention to for next week. NZD CAD is the next pair I'll also be paying attention to for next week. So this is what we have. Daily time frame is bearish right now, right? We took profits on this trade, by the way, last week at this high. So that was a very perfect take profit target, right? Right now, market have shifted structure bearish because we are broken under this low. We are rejecting from area of interest again, as you can clearly see. Very strong area of interest. Anytime we are below, we are selling to the downside, right? Just like this. And anytime we are above, we are buying to the upside. So simply, price is currently below. We should be looking for sell trades, right? So daily is bearish, weekly not so clean, 4 hour is bearish. So we do have 2 time frame in sync. So right now I'll just be looking for reasons to be selling these markets if we can get any clean break and retest that we can find, right? But I still need more structures. This to me is not a very clean market structure. It's just a market going up basically. I still need more structures to be interested in selling NZD CAD, right? So that is that for NZD CAD. Next pair we have GBPAUD. GBPAUD on the daily time frame has rejected from this major area where we are looking to sell before, right? So let's let's go over to the weekly first. Let's start from there. If I go over to the weekly, you can see that this major area of interest has been respecting price multiple times. So this is both a daily and a weekly area of interest. Very strong area, right? I called for a rejection from this area, which happened. But right now, this is exactly what we plan on doing. We'll be waiting for extra confluences. So we drew a minor daily area of interest right here, and we need price to have a clear break and retest under that area to continue selling to this daily structural point, right? If price does that break and retest, price will be under area of interest and under EME, right? So that will be extra confluences. And then 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is also bearish, so we need a cleaner break and retest to continue selling. So that's just pretty much it. And then the last pair will be GBPUSD. I need price to start bullish, hopefully, and then we have a clean break and retest to sell to this level right here. So that is the pairs I'll be paying attention to for next week. As for gold, we don't have any clear directional buyers yet on gold. I still believe that this market could be pumping to the upside or to be selling to the downside, but I don't know yet. Another pair I'll be paying attention to, which might be a high risk trade, is GBPJPY for a clean break and retest above this area to buy. So those are pretty much the pairs I'm paying attention to for next week. Join the Telegram channel. I call these trades live before I take them, right? So that I can follow me why I take this trade. So in order for you to join the Telegram channel, just come over to the channel right here. Just come over to the channel right here. See this one that says Instagram and one more link. Click on one more link. Then it's going to open for you this page right here where you see Telegram. Once you see the link, just join the Telegram channel, and then to take you right to this area right here. So those are pretty much the pairs I'll paying attention to for next week. I'll see you guys on the Telegram channel.